Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the variance and movement generating function of the binomial distribution. So take a look at the variance of binomial distribution. Firstly, binomial distribution in the short form can be written as B into D. So now we will find the variance of binomial distribution. We know that the variance of any random variable x is equals to expectation of x square minus square of expectation of x. This can be written as expectation of x square minus square of mu. As we have discussed in previous video that the value of expectation of x is n into p. So about the mu, we are well known about the value of mu. Now we will find the value of expectation of x square. So expectation of x square, that is equals to, with the help of definition, summation x varies from 0 to n. Because binomial distribution is a discrete random variable, so it is written as summation x varies from 0 to n x square into px. So we know that for the binomial probability, px is ncx p raised to power x q raised to power n minus x. Now this x square can be written as x into x minus 1 plus x into px. So we are splitting here summation. So first term can be written as summation x varies from 0 to n x into x minus 1 into px, plus second term can be written as summation x varies from 0 to n x into px. Now pull the value of px here. So it is ncx p raised to power x q raised to power n minus x. And what is this? Actually it is the value of expectation of x. So it is np. Now summation x varies from 0 to n x into x minus 1 ncx p raised to power x q raised to power n minus x can be written as, here ncx can be written as n factorial upon x factorial into factorial n minus x. So our expectation of x square is equals to this summation plus mu. So here see factorial x, in denominator there is factorial x and in numerator there is x into x minus 1. After cancellation this can be written as 1 by factorial x minus 2. So we have to convert the factorial n in form of n minus 2 factorial because we want to obtain a binomial expansion form. So n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 into factorial n minus 2. Now since this after cancellation this is 1 by factorial x minus 2, then obviously this summation x is varies, minimum value of x will be 2. So x here varies from 2 to n. And p raised to power x can be written as p square into p raised to power x minus 2 into q raised to power n minus x plus expectation of x, that is np. So here now take a look at this term, summation x varies from 2 to n minus 2 factorial upon x minus 2 factorial into n minus 2 minus x minus 2 factorial, that is n minus x factorial into p raised to power x minus 2 into q raised to power n minus 2 minus x minus 2, that will be n minus x. So with the help of binomial expansion this summation will be equal to p plus q raised to power n minus 2. And we know that the value of p plus q is equals to 1. So this will be equal to n into n minus 1 into p square plus np. So our expectation of x square is n into n minus 1 into p square plus np. Now variance of x is expectation of x square minus mu square. Here expectation of x square is n into n minus 1 into p square plus np minus mu is np. So it is minus n square p square. So after taking the cancellation of first and fourth term, our variance will be np minus np square, that will be equal to np into 1 minus p. We know that 1 minus p is q. So variance of the binomial random variable will be equal to np into q. And standard deviation will be square root of the variance of x, that will be equal to root of n into p into q. Now take a look at the movement generating function of the binomial distribution. We know that the movement generating function for any random variable x is expectation of e raised to power tx. So here because it's a discrete random variable, so it is summation x varies from 0 to n e raised to power tx into px. Here value of the px is ncx p raised to power x q raised to power n minus x. So here e raised to power tx into p raised to power x can be written as p into et raised to power x. So this summation where summation x varies 0 to n ncx p into et raised to power x into q raised to power n minus x. So with the help of binomial expansion, this can be written as q plus pet raised to power n. So the moment generating function of the binomial distribution will be q plus pet raised to power n. And here I recommend all of you students to please remember the value of the mean of binomial distribution, that is NP, variance of binomial distribution, that is NPQ. So obviously standard deviation of random variable x will be positive square root of NPQ, and the moment generating function of the binomial distribution is q plus p into et raised to power n. So here till now, if you face any problem in the definition of binomial distribution and to find the values of mean, variance and moment generating function of this distribution, you can ask me. Thank you.